Mhm.
So, hi and hello to wherever you are watching. Thanks for tuning in. This is the first of many episodic programs that myself and my guest today, Jordan Bigford, that we intend to have. And without having too much introduction, the purpose of our talk today is to introduce you to the world of cryptocurrency, to help you understand what cryptocurrency is, how you can capitalize on the crypto markets, and some analysis on where the crypto markets are heading. So, with me, I have Jordan Bigford. Jordan has been in the crypto markets game for quite a while right now. He's been investing for quite a while right now. And I felt that Jordan was the best person to bring and build this show, and for you, all our viewers at home, to understand what we're really dealing with here. So, Jordan, let's start it right off. Um, when someone says they've bought a cryptocurrency, what does it mean? What have they bought? Like, what is this cryptocurrency?
That's a good question, Ian. So the best way I could simplify it is you're buying a piece of code on the internet. And I say that, and you're probably all looking, saying, like, what does that mean? But the reality is the way crypto is encoded is the base layer is the internet, right? And if I can take it back one more level, when you bring it down to the roots, we're really talking about internet money. And that's a crazy concept to maybe wrap around your head. But what cryptocurrency is in its essence, and at the bottom line, is something that an individual can self custody. Let me get into that custody piece a bit more.
Mhm.
Self custody means, in essence, a person has control over their own money, right? That's layer one of this. Understanding this, you want to understand when you're buying a cryptocurrency, you ultimately have control of it. Unlike when you go to the bank, you deposit your money, there's a central authority that has control over your money. Yes, it's a liability to the bank. They owe you that money if you want to withdraw it at a point in time. When you have crypto, it is literally in your control. Nobody else controls it. And that is the concept of self custody. That is layer one. That's what I want everyone reading this and viewing this to understand. Layer two of it is that it's decentralized. Decentralized, going back to that concept of no central authority, you are able to move that money borderless, right? When I say money here, again, I'm talking about internet money. We're talking about cryptocurrency. It's all interchangeable. You are able to send money anytime without permission, and it's borderless. So if you want to send money to family that lives in another country, you can do that with a tap of a button, entering a unique code that's going to be unique to you and to the receiver. They'll have their own unique code, and you can transmit value back and forth. Now, in the land of cryptocurrency, there are many of them. I'm sure a lot of you heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of those major ones that you probably see on the mainstream media channels. But there are tons. I think there are now over three to 5,000 coins, new ones getting minted every day. They all have a different use case, but in the core of it, it's that those concepts we're talking about: self custody, you have control over your own money, and the concept of it being permissionless and decentralized. There's no central authority that can tell you when to go in and out of that currency. And ultimately, I want you to understand that in this new age where you can do this, it's giving you more freedom. It's giving you freedom over what you can and can't do with that said money. So I think that's the concept we want to start when we're talking about cryptocurrencies, and then we can delve a bit further into what some of these different ones mean. But that's the concepts I want you to understand when we're talking about cryptocurrency.
So, a quick breakdown. We're talking about a code. A code, so when someone purchases a cryptocurrency, what they're purchasing is a decoded version of the overall cryptocurrency value. You hammered home the importance that the vehicle through which cryptocurrency exists is a decentralized model, as
Yeah,
opposed to the centralized institutions that we've always been familiar with.
exactly.
And combining those two leads to the liberacy of owning crypto value. You can send it wherever it isn't, right? Okay. So I guess the next